Indian Premier League 2026 match number 9 Gujarat Titans vs Rajasthan Royals. Match played at Narendra Modi Stadium, Ahmedabad. Rajasthan Royals won the toss, elected to bat first. Rajasthan Royals 20 overs 210 runs, lost by 6 wickets. Dhruv Jurel is the highest scorer, 75 runs, 42 balls. Then Gujarat Titans best bowling spell, Kagiso Rabada, 4 overs, no maiden, 42 runs, 2 wickets taken. Gujarat Titans 20 overs, 204 runs, lost by 8 wickets. Shei Sudarshan is the highest scorer, 73 runs, 44 balls. Then Rajasthan Royals best bowling spell, Ravi Vishnu, 4 overs, no maiden, 41 runs, 4 wickets taken. Rajasthan Royals won by 6 runs in this match. Player of the match, Ravi Vishnu. Congratulations, Rajasthan Royals.